Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and today I'm going to talk to you about how to unlock a bathroom door. Something to keep in mind is that a lot of bathroom doors have different styles of locks on them, but all have the same basic design inside. For this job, I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver. Now with this particular door lock, we have a cylinder right in the middle that is flat all the way across. So we'll take our flathead screwdriver, put it into that flat slot right there, and twist it, and that'll unlock the door for us so we can open our door. Now, some of the other doorknobs have a hole on the side that will have a cylinder on the inside where you'll take something flat and put it in there and unlock it. Others will be right in the middle, only they're real small. For that, you have to take something like a coat hanger, flatten the end of it, and put it in there to unlock the cylinder. This one just happens to be a little bit bigger and on the outside. It's a good idea to know how to get into these locked rooms in case there's ever emergency. You can get in with little resistance. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.